Netflix. As my Model 1 got approved and I will be moving forward to give this presentation to CXO and the board members. It's a big milestone for Netflix to complete its 24 years of services, and soon it will be 25 years. As we know, we are called for a streaming media, play television, video demands, games, and talking about our service which we give are film production, film distribution, television distribution. Currently, we have 12,315 employees, and our users are around 222 million, counted on 16 April 2022. Talking about our income, which is looking quite good, revenue is around $29.7 billion. Operation income is $6.195 billion. Net income is around $5.1 billion. Total asset will around is $44.5 billion, and total equity is now $15.8 billion. This company didn't begin with the streaming service online. It was a very interesting coming to this evaluation. In 1997, it got launched as a mail-based rental business, which worked very good and then transitioned into the streaming service 2007-2012. After that, it started developing original programming from 2013-2017, and then after that, it explained into interaction, production, and in 2021, it emerged the gaming. So far, we increase of Netflix is around 190 countries. SWOT. Strength is one of the most important for our company to recognize, which is a global presence, brand reputation, and exponential growth. Netflix original movies and TV shows create ample opportunity for budding filmmakers, affordable in several Southeast countries. And the weakness is increased depth, lack of original content in several countries, limited copyrights, reducing demand for high-price subscription in several countries, opportunity and ample demand for OTT platform, product like an expansion like video games, strategic partnership, better content compared to the another OOT platform, almost ended and based business model. Threats. COVID-19 stopped production of several original shows and movies. Government regulation. Content privacy. One account was shared among several users. Government rules and regulation in several countries. We have a lot of competitors' weakness, and for now, for our competitive weakness are pricing, user experience, content and rising depth, business model easily replicated, support shortage, privacy, and hacking. Currently, our competitors are like Hovo, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Apple TV, and many more others. As we can, there are a lot of competitive weakness. First, the major issue in the pricing where we are introducing the annual subscription for our customers according to the economic classes. There is a few of issues with the UI experience too, so we will be updating the UI too, so we can make it friendly for our customers. Content and rising in the depths as we can see, therefore we plan to go on the new geographical location where the people will be able we will be able to earn more revenue as Netflix has already its saturation point of its subscription. As the business model can easily be replicated through, we decided to come soothing a new and innovative for our customers which will be VR. So where customer can see some content that is made for VR and they can view it with the help of the VR headsets. For privacy, we are heading to the AWS cloud computing, and to make our account more secure, we will be introducing multi-factor authentication. As we all know, the Netflix recommendation system is one of the best, but it is time for us to take to it the next level, where we will be taken to the cloud, where the content will be stored in the cloud, and with the recommendation will be working. It will be creating algorithms that will be check like user what kind of content he likes or she likes to see and which thumbnail impressed him or her a lot, and according to that, the AWS algorithm find the best thumbnail from the movies and will be shown to the client where they can hook them for the view in that country. We want to stand out from our competitors. Therefore, we came up with the idea where we'll be introducing the VR in the Netflix subscription. Now, this is going to be a unique experience for our customers, where we will be experiencing the VR content in the VR headset. So the ASW will be giving us an edge where we can upload our VR content like films or TV shows. The customers will be able to view it nicely. All the GPU processing will happen in the background of the AWS cloud, and with that there will be an NVIDIA Cloud XR acceleration for the smooth process. AWS benefits. Security. Traditional data centers must be protected traditionally. You must be security personnel to assure the safety of our data. So one advantage is to make a complete control over the data equipments which will make it safer. Only those who can trust will be access our system. AWS region, there will be one or more discrete data centers for your data. For the data backup will be stored in one or more data location. AWS is a better and improved recommendation system that will be, and Netflix won't need to worry about how much data storage we will need, as the subscribers will increase or decrease as they can increase and decrease of the cost of the service by paying as go. Hype cycle for emerging technology. Currently, we are in the stage of the slope of enlightenment. This gives us an edge to compare to others. And hype of cycle of cloud computing. Currently, we are in the stage of innovator triggers. This gives us also edge compared to others. For the reference, the AWCC stands for the cloud computing and AWS VR stands for the virtual reality. We can see that if we adopt the AWCC now, it will be beneficial for us, that the profit will be high and the risks will be minimum. On the other hand, if we see AWS VR has also a high profit but it comes with a high risk. New geographical location targeting will be a medium profit value, but it will come with a high risk as we can say that they will be already running a depth. But we need to focus on the new location. We should be focusing on China as it has a huge demand. AWS will reduce the expenses of the data center, and with that we don't have to worry about the capacity that will be needed. We can use the capacity as pay and go. The security is also good with that, and there will be also regional wise data center. Technology evaluation. As we know that the cloud computing is a hot trend and is just the start of it. Soon they will be introducing more cloud storage for a less price. There will be a regional wise cloud storage and will be beneficial for the company to get their data to the regional location. And it does affect the prices too. As the way cloud will get improved soon, there will be a day where the upload and download speed will be faster compared to now. Cloud storage will be getting better security day by day to protect their clients from the hackers. Cloud storage will be the part of Web 2.0. And the alternatives for the AWS will be the two major alternatives, which are Microsoft and cloud. Operation and competitive risks. As we know that the Netflix is losing its profit margin and it is reducing by each quarter. So therefore Netflix decided to increase the cost of a subscription, which is a big risk to be honest. During a pandemic, a lot of people got hacked and it is seen that the people were dying hard to get their accounts back and the customer care was short. To make more people get Netflix, we need to add up the regional content more so it will be a personalized for them and they would love to see that get the Netflix from them. It is observed that a couple of times Netflix has lost its data. Netflix algorithm is very complex so it needs to make it simple and understandable for the employees. Looking at the adoption life cycle, we have considered all the adoption costs and the value and the risks for the company to adopt this technology. Let's talk first about the adoption cost and value. After a lot of negotiation and consideration everything which will be benefit the company, we have come to the initial setup cost which will be $1 billion. According to our company statistics, we can said that the earning of the Netflix is around $4 billion right now. Just taking the free cash flow will be $1.4 billion. Suppose we adopt this technology, will get us rate of investment after 10 months. And if we consider that everything is working fine, we might earn around $2.6 billion as a free cash flow. As we can see, after adopting this service, the operation cost will be reduced. Therefore, we will have a more cash flow and a better service to our customers. Talking about the risks, now taking to our company on the cloud will be a little challenging but a huge benefit. As we know, everything has a risk with its reward. So talking about AWS risks, if we have downtown, we might lose around 3000 per second talking about AW risks. And even we have to consider any technical problems might arrive. This is reference and thank you for the introducing me everything about it.